Hennessey, the renowned Texas-based hypercar manufacturer and high-performance vehicle creator, has partnered with Fox Factory to produce a limited run of 2024 Ram 1500 sport trucks. This collaboration brings forth the Mammoth 400 series, marking the end of an era as the last truck to feature the legendary HEMI engine. With only 250 units available globally, this exclusive model is set to be a collector's item, combining advanced performance modifications and a striking aesthetic design reminiscent of Hennessey's storied past. The Mammoth 400 is powered by a 5.7-liter V8 engine, pushing the truck's capabilities to an impressive 420 horsepower. This powerhouse engine not only signifies the end of the HEMI era but also embodies the spirit of American automotive engineering excellence. The robust powertrain, coupled with a Fox/Ridetech suspension system, ensures a lower center of gravity and enhanced performance both on and off the road. This setup promises a thrilling driving experience, whether navigating city streets or exploring rugged terrains. One of the standout features of the Mammoth 400 series is its bespoke paintwork, offering customers the choice of iconic Viper Red, Viper White, or GTS Blue, each accented by distinctive full-length twin Viper stripes. These colors and stripes are a nod to Hennessey's early roots within the Dodge SRT Viper community, evoking a sense of nostalgia while celebrating American performance heritage. The color options are not just a tribute to the past but also a patriotic reference to the colors of the American flag, adding a layer of symbolic significance to the design. The exterior modifications extend beyond paintwork, with the Mammoth 400 featuring an aggressive body kit that includes side skirts, a deeper custom front bumper, and a carbon fiber splitter. These enhancements give the truck a menacing look, synonymous with the Hennessey brand's reputation for creating visually striking and high-performing vehicles. The collaboration with Fox Factory brings advanced suspension technology to the Mammoth 400, improving handling and stability. This, combined with the powerful HEMI V8 engine, delivers a sport truck that is not only fast but also agile and responsive. Customers can further personalize their trucks by opting for 22-inch wheels available in satin black or a gloss black milled dark tint, adding to the vehicle's aggressive stance and street presence. With only 250 units available for the 2024 model year, the Mammoth 400 series is set to be a highly sought-after vehicle among collectors and enthusiasts. Each truck will sport signature Hennessey badging and a serial-numbered engine plaque, ensuring its status as a limited edition. These trucks will be available exclusively through authorized Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, or Ram dealers, and each purchase will come with the reassurance of Hennessey's 3-year/36,000-mile limited warranty. The color options of the Mammoth 400 trucks, GTS Blue with white stripes, Viper Red with white stripes, and Viper White with blue stripes, are a direct homage to the Dodge Vipers that Hennessey built in the late 1990s and early 2000s. These colors are most associated with the iconic American performance supercar from that period, linking the Mammoth 400 to Hennessey's heritage and the golden era of American muscle cars. The Hennessey and Fox Factory collaboration on the 2024 Ram 1500 Mammoth 400 series represents a unique blend of American automotive history, advanced performance engineering, and striking design. As the last HEMI engine-powered Ram truck, the Mammoth 400 is not just a vehicle but a celebration of American independence, engineering excellence, and the enduring legacy of the HEMI V8. With its limited availability and exclusive features, the Mammoth 400 is poised to become a cherished piece of automotive history, embodying the spirit of innovation and performance that both Hennessey and Fox Factory are known for.